Here's a new 2019 Buick Enclave. Smart, sleek, and beautiful, it shatters expectations of what a crossover should be. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth streaming audio, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, power tilt-down heated mirrors, voice activation, hands-free liftgate, doors and push-button start proximity key, and automatic transmission. For Buick, the efficient, stylish, upscale crossover had single-handedly resuscitated a brand that previously looked as healthy as Oldsmobile. Buick, expect more than you'd imagine. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.